Dad's car back in the day.
Oh yeah, my dad had he had an old school Volvo, old school, like the old school 740s, I think. Cars on the road were it was the Renault 5 GT Turbo.
Yeah.
And the Peugeot 205 GTI. I love them cars. If you have one of them cars,
never saw the Golf.
yes, exactly. The Golf was on, the Clipper, the Mark 1, the GTIs. Those are the three top cars.
Yeah.
I couldn't afford the GTI Sports.
This is meant to be like your dream whip, right? We're in the Range Rover Sport,
yeah.
Right? 2017 plate, so it's fresh.
Yeah.
It's got like it's just got a few miles on. Yeah. It
fresh.
Smells